Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will guide you through a step-by-step guide on how to create stunning, moving animated videos using AI for free, using ChatGPT, Leonardo AI, and some other AI tools. You don't need any experience or expensive software. I will show you how to leverage the power of AI and user-friendly tools to bring your videos to life, to generate scripts, design characters, remove backgrounds, animate images to video, insert audio, and edit video. I have spent hours crafting this free AI tutorial for you. Would you please give me 5 seconds of your time for a quick like, subscribe, and share? Thank you so much.
Once upon a time, there was a young boy named Ethan and his faithful companion, a mischievous dog named Buddy. One sunny day,
Go to Google and type ChatGPT. Click on first website, open AI, and then you can see the interface of the website. On top of the right, there is a login button. If you already have account, click on login. But if you don't, click on sign up button, then log in to OpenAI website. After login, click on ChatGPT. Then you can see the prompt bar in which you can write a message to ChatGPT. And within seconds, ChatGPT generates you the proper script of your command. I am giving a command to ChatGPT for a story of a boy and his dog. It should be 30 seconds long and have a moral. When your story is generated, save the text for next step. Go to Leonardo AI website and you can see the interface of the website. There are many features, model options in the Leonardo AI. In the left, there are user tools. You have to click on AI image generation. Then, AI generation tool interface is open. You can copy this prompt from description. Then I choose Leonardo diffusion in model options. After that, click on generate button. It will take few seconds to generate the result of your inserted prompt. There are 4 results generated of your prompt. You can choose the image which suits you. I will choose this one. Simply click on download button to save the image. Or if you want to rename image or change the destination of image, you can click on image and right-click, then click save image and download to your destination. After that, I will generate boy for our animation video. Go to AI generation tool and type this prompt: front view of an animated boy standing wearing t-shirt, character design. You can copy this prompt from description. Then click on add negative prompt. You can see the prompt bar. Write this prompt, then choose Leonardo diffusion in model options and click on generate. After few seconds, your result is generated. Download the image which suits you. I will download second image. Go to remove BG website, click on upload image. Select the image from your local destination. After few seconds, your image background is removed. Then click on edit button and click on color scroll. Down, pick the green color for your image background. Click on download button. Then click download image. Then enter sketch. Meta Demo Lab. Click on get started. Click on upload image from your local destination. After few seconds, your image is uploaded. Click on next, then click on agree. Then resize the box to ensure it fits character. Click on next. You can erase the unnecessary portion from your image by using eraser tool. Click on next. Then adjust the points by dragging them to character joints carefully. As you can see, I adjusted the points to character joints. Then click on next. Now you can add animation to your character. There are many animation you can choose which you like. I will choose this walking animation. After that, click on download button and save it. Go to Play.ht website. Then sign in if you don't have an account on this website. Then click on try for free to sign up. Paste your text. After submitting the text, click on generate audio. There are multiple voices on this website. You can select which you like. I will use Abigail voice. In few seconds, your audio file is generated. When your audio file is ready, click on download icon, and file is downloaded. Open Capcut on your computer or mobile. Import the files from local destination. Drag files to timeline. Set the animation video to the first timeline and background image to second timeline. Set the background image timeline. Select the animated video timeline on the top of right-click on cutout. Then select Auto Cutout. Then adjust the animated character. When video is edited, click on Export. It takes some time to export. After that, your video is ready to use. Now it's time to add audio and animation video. Drag video to first timeline and audio to second timeline. Align the audio and play it.
Once upon a time, there was a young boy named Ethan and his faithful companion,
When video is edited, click on Export. It takes some time to export.